Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's my first time trying the McRib, highly requested on my channel. So I never tried the McRib before. I just feel like it was kind of, looks like it's processed. It's not real rib, it's like different meat or something. That's what I heard. I got some medium french fries. I got a hot mocha right here. I also will be drinking some water. Now I wanted to get the holiday pie, but they didn't have it, so but I'm eager to try the McRib out. So it has a roll with the beef that has onions, barbecue sauce, pickles. That's what it looks like, in case you're curious. I'm really not sure if I'm gonna like it, but it doesn't really look appetizing, to be honest. But let's try it out, guys. First bite. Actually, it's not too bad. It tastes good with the pickles and onions. So yeah, it's not my favorite kind of meat. I love hamburgers or chicken. I'm not even really big on like rib and stuff like that, but it's kind of small too, a little bit. The onions make it really crunchy when you bite into it, so I do like it. It's actually better than I thought it would be, actually. Try some french fries. Yeah, it's pretty good. I might get it again. But usually when I go to McDonald's, I always get the Big Mac because I could eat that every day if I wanted to. It's so good. After I eat this, I'm going to try the mocha out. It'll be kind of fun to experience. I tried some different sauces, like maybe ketchup. Maybe ranch. Maybe ketchup and ranch. Which one would it taste better? I don't know if you can see the sauces from here, but I have ketchup, ranch, and ketchup. It's hard to like film this part, but try ketchup first. Okay. Try some ranch. Okay. We'll mix the ketchup and ranch. I can never do this in the car, right? They're all good, but I think my favorite is the ketchup ranch mixed together. It gives it like a nice flavor. Yeah, and right after this, I have to work at Walmart. I usually take a nap before I work at Walmart, but I don't think I'm going to be able to have time to do it today because I want to do this video out today. Monday, my nephew will come over. One of my nephews, he doesn't like to be on my videos or films, so not much filming there. Tuesday, I think I'll be making this fresh fettuccine, maybe shrimp, because the subscriber sent me a recipe of a fettuccine recipe, more like the sauce part, and they said it was really good. And they were really excited for me to make it, so okay, I'm gonna try it for you guys. I'm gonna have salad with it. I got some garlic toast from Walmart yesterday. I'll be making tacos on Monday for my nephew. I've been craving homemade tacos for a while. I still have to edit my weekly vlog. I haven't done that yet. This week is so busy. I can't believe how busy I am. I don't have time to do anything these days. I'm surprised I'm making videos. So about 3 weeks ago, I got a really nice comment from a subscriber. She wrote me on Instagram. I think she was 13 years old. She says, "Hey Karen, I really love your videos. You're really beautiful, and it gives me a good idea of what to eat." She's like, I like your food reviews." I was like, "Oh, that's really nice." You know, from a 13-year-old girl. So if you're watching, thank you. That was really nice of you. So about 2 things I wanted to tell you about it. At Whole Foods, I found like this. It's a sampler, but it's called French Lavender Soap and Scrub. Whipped. I guess it's a soap and a scrub. It just smells so fresh. Like pure lavender. It's really good. And so I used a little bit this morning as I take my shower. And it's like soapy. It's a scrub. And my skin is so soft. I love this. I might get more. They have lavender. I think they might have a mint and other flavors, but I'm going to get more of that. And then I tried something new in my hair. I don't know if my hair looks different. I think it looks less frizzy, but this is Argan Oil of Morocco Hair Mask, extra strength. It says to rinse it out, but I like to leave it in. And it's really good. I was supposed to get this other Oregon oil, but I got this one instead by mistake, and I like this one better, actually. I don't know if my hair looks different, but I think it just seems like it's more tame. You know, not so bushy, so that's good. This is pretty good. It kind of reminds me of like 7-Eleven food. You know, 7-Eleven food can be good, but it's still good. I think the meat reminds me of 7-Eleven meat. Alright. Alright, I think you can see the ketchup a little bit, the ranch. So I'm super excited. I looked at my schedule, my last Walmart schedule. It's out like 3 weeks in advance. And the week of Christmas week, I'm off Monday through Friday. I'm so excited. Because Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm usually off. Thursday is Christmas Eve, and all the stores close at around 6 p.m., so they're not going to schedule me. I have another job. So I'm off Thursday. And Friday is Christmas. Obviously, we're closed on Christmas. So it's kind of nice. I'm going to have Monday through Friday off from Walmart. It's going to be really good. A little time to rest. Let's try this mocha. Pretty good. Tastes like a lot like hot chocolate though. Like I can't. It's good though. It just tastes more like hot chocolate than coffee. Can't taste a lot of coffee though. But I'll probably have this before I go to work. Finish that up. And working tonight, guys. It sucks I couldn't get the holiday pie. I wanted the holiday pie to try for you guys, but this McDonald's didn't have it. My McDonald's at Walmart didn't have it. They said during the COVID they don't have a lot of the items. And I watched another YouTuber. She couldn't get the holiday pie either. She was like, they don't have it. So I don't know if the holiday pie is only in certain McDonald's or just they don't do them this year. I don't know. So it is what it is, I guess. So we are in lockdown in California right now. It sucks. I want to get a haircut, but I guess I can't. I don't know. All right, what would I rate the McRib? I like it. I just think the meat is, kind of fake, not really real rib meat, but it's processed, but it's still really good. I would probably give that 3.5 out of 5 just because the meat was kind of processed, but everything else is really good. I prefer Big Macs. That's my go-to at McDonald's. Alright, so guys, let me know if you've ever tried the McRib. Do you like it? Let me know. What's your impressions? I would probably get it again though, but it just, it's average sandwich. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.